How to schedule email sending in Thunderbird with add-ons. First, open Thunderbird. In the top right corner, click on the hamburger menu. From the list, select Add-ons and Themes. In the Find More Add-ons section, search for Send Later. From the results, choose the first option. Click the Add to Thunderbird button in green on the right. A pop-up window will appear. Click Add to install the add-on. A request message will now appear. This is the Send Later data collection prompt. Simply choose No, don't collect usage data. Note: after installing the Send Later add-on, you'll need to restart Thunderbird. Now let's try sending an email on a scheduled time. In Thunderbird, open the Compose window. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line that matches your purpose. Finally, type your message. Now, on the top right, click on Send Later. In the Send Later window, set the details. At the top, choose the date and time when the email should be sent. Here, we're setting it for 5 minutes from now. Below, you'll see the Recur option. This lets you send the message in different time periods such as once, every minute, daily, weekly, and more. In this case, we're just sending it one time. Next is the Between section, which allows you to send emails within a specific time range. In Only On, you can select the weekdays on which the email should be sent. The Until option defines how long the message will continue sending after the scheduled time. Once you've set everything, click on Send At. This button will appear larger. Simply click it. Now, the message is scheduled to be sent after 5 minutes. Let's wait and check it. After the time period has passed, open your emails. And as you can see, the message has been sent successfully. And that's it. That's how you can schedule an email to be sent in Thunderbird.